Oh, this is Carl Danneberger, and I'm standing out here at our Turfgrass Research Center here in late July. I don't know if you can tell, but it's extremely hot and very humid, and actually the heat index is well over 100. And it's about, I'd say, around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And one of the biggest problems we see this time of the year is water management, how you water turf, and the big problem is overwatering. And under these kind of conditions of extremely high humidity, even though the temperatures are extremely hot too, is that the transpiration or the evapotranspiration rates are extremely low. So there's no water coming out of the ground or being pumped out by the plants and evaporating from the soil. So your first inclination would be on a hot day is to add water, but that's a big mistake, because as we'll see, you need to check the moisture in your soil to make that judgment whether you need water or not. And under these conditions, this turf, as you can see there's no sprinklers on, does not need water. There's various ways of doing it. One is through some of these moisture sensing devices that will actually give you the water content of the soil and a percentage, and based on that you can judge whether your turf needs water or not. The other way, it's tried and true method, is with the soil probe. A little more art to this, and actually this soil probe is, when I bought it when I was a student, it's an undergraduate, for $5. They're a little more expensive now, but you can take a core to whatever depth like I did, and then you can actually feel if it's too wet or not. And as you can see, that this soil core is pretty pliable. There's more than enough water to sustain this bentgrass turf. So again, before you go out and start watering a turf under temperatures that you would think it would need, be sure to check the status of your soil to see if water's lacking or not.